Hello darlings, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in Alfas Del Pi, a beautiful residential community and town located in the province of Alicante and on the Costa Blanca. Today we thought it was really important for us to show you this newly built residential project within this area. It comprises of 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartments, starting from approximately 75 square meters and giving you beautiful finishes and also close proximity to what is a well-established area. Walking down this street, very close to where the urbanisation will be built, we also thought it key to get in there early in the phase of construction whilst there remains some availability, giving you a competitive price within the market for this residential area. Let's begin the tour. Walking around this neighbourhood and just 150 metres away from the actual urbanisation itself, you can see that this is a very established nucleus of what is a Norwegian community, quite expatriate friendly and also welcoming, and can I just say also peaceful. What I actually like coming into this little shopping district area is that you actually have your day-to-day amenities within hand. You have restaurants, cafes, you have a solicitors here on site, also social club activities for the residents and other points of interest that you can access day-to-day for you and your family living here. All within a very lovely backdrop of what is a very welcoming, warm and comfortable community. Within their central office, they have given us the qualities that would be required for them when it comes to the installation of the kitchens they provide. And this is the perfect example to give you an idea of what the kitchen would actually look like. Obviously you have what you would need for your kitchen sink, cabinetry below and also above. You also have in the centre area your cooking hob with your extractor, and then on this side you can see that you also have your microwave and your oven. What I will say though about the actual kitchen itself is with the actual electrical appliances, they are what the actual developer does provide, being Tekka, and these are not actually interchangeable. But what is interchangeable are the types of finishes that you can go for. So they've given you an example with the colour palette being of, let's say, white. You also have your grey, and then you also have the wooden effect tone as well. You can interchange whatever colour palette you prefer depending on what is available and what point of construction the properties are at. They also give you some examples as well of the types of different kinds of flooring that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, you're wanting to go for a slightly warmer tone or a slightly cooler tone. And then you've also got your anti-slip effect porcelain stone that would be for your outdoor terrace spaces. Walking in the centre of Alfas Del Pi's old town, right in the middle of it all, you find that it's very accessible for any type of resident. Right here in the avenue there is Sports. I am overlooking what would be the sports centres with its surrounding facilities for people to do sports activities and recreational activities throughout the year. Really beautiful installations around here, but it's also a hub in which you will find local schools. You'll also find La Casa de Cultura, a place for people to also do, for example, music workshops, classes where they host exhibitions and various events through the year. And you even have really close, within walking distance, the health centre too. From this point, you can access pretty much any part of Alfas Del Pi to get what it is that you might need, but all the while keeping a very calm and reasonable ambience in which you can go about your day-to-day life and also get to know your local community. Standing outside of the Casa de Cultura, the House of Culture, this is a great place for me to tell you the nitty-gritty. So because we are so early in the construction phase, the actual properties themselves will be ready by the summer 2028. And therefore it's a good time to get in, because right now in the promotion you'll find that the prices are reasonable for the residential area, and you'll also find that availability as to what particular apartment you might like is ideal. Bear in mind that these are apartments that are on 2 floors. The lower ground floor has your private gardens with your swimming pool, and then the upper floor comes with not only spacious terraces but also your solarium. What you will find included in the price is actually also your own parking space and also your storage room, and you get to enjoy communal zones like a community swimming pool, etc., with the rest of the people that live there. Because this is an early project and there is quite a lot of information that does come with it, don't forget to come to our website, which is spainhomes.estate, to find out the finer details. And so whilst I am sweltering here in the sun, no doubt I hope you guys are having a great summer. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you. I hope you're having a splendid day, and no doubt I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!